That'll be one of the best talking points of the season if that happens.
Nakante.
Wag lang tong rack na to. Siguro yun ang iniisip ni Tristan Jocaresa.
Hindi. Ikukumbina niya yung 4 sa 7.
Exactly. Ganda naman
Okay.
ang ginawa.
It's a nice rack.
Na magmintis ulit itong si Tristan Jocaresa.
Pagtira, he knows he's got this. Jocaresa's only one-on-one appearance was a loss against Drasir Mauricio. Medyo sobra ng konti yung prepara para sa 8. Get some legs. Good enough. And Tristan Jocaresa wins the series for Quezon City